The Apex Predator has arrived. One of the all-time greats has seen and done everything there is to do in this business.
The following contest is an Extreme Rules match. Making his way to the ring.
The bell is rung on this Extreme Rules match. Not the type of match for people with a weak constitution to participate in or to witness. Are you sure you're going to be all right for this one, Saxton?
I'm okay for now. I'll avert my eyes when things get ugly.
Oh, he saw it coming. Had the Viper scouted. The dead man with an arm wringer into the... Look at the power.
Orton so evasive.
Oh, man, look at this power.
He averts the offense.
Big move. And a well-timed counter. And a stomp to the gut. Oh, my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
And the brunt of all that impact goes right to the head.
Uh-oh.
Back elbow completely cuts them off. Caught with a punch. Brutal offense. Ooh, that could have done some serious damage. Can Undertaker withstand this onslaught?
Taker needs to rise again.
He's starting to feel the results of this pounding.
Yeah, as Orton was putting his precision to work there.
Oh, my goodness. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Oof, did you hear the thud on that impact?
Just bouncing that head like a basketball.
Devastating cranial impact with that move. Another targeted attack to his head and neck area. He has to be careful. Merciless move, bashing your opponent's head like that.
Smashing the head into an unforgiving surface.
Merciless attacks from the Viper.
The attacks will not relent from the Viper.
Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball. Oof, did you hear the thud on that impact? Oh, my goodness.
Oh, that'll rattle the insides of your head.
And he's got to be seeing stars right about now.
Either stars or he's seeing double.
Ooh, that could have done some serious damage. This is not looking good for him. And his body has to be in extreme amounts of pain right now. Ah, what a smash.
That is just insulting.
Undertaker facing some trouble. Undertaker has to turn this around in a hurry.
Just bouncing that head like a basketball. Brutal boot.
Oh, just deadlifting their opponent. And wait a minute. What's the manager doing under the apron?
Was definitely not thinking about finesse with that one. Was only thinking about dominance. Oh my gosh.
Heads outside the ring. And no countouts means he can take his time. What's he open to find down there? Making his way to the top here. Up high. A nice shot by The Undertaker. One of the best strikers in the business. Talking trash. Forearms to the face. The audacity. You can't get caught in a hailstorm like that if you want to win. Dribbling the opponent's head like a basketball. Corey, how do you deal with the total chaos of an Extreme Rules match? By getting extreme yourself. Don't just deal with the chaos, be the chaos. That's what this match is all about. Oh, the physicality on display there. Unbelievable.
Catches a punch.
Orton now dictating the pace here. Orton loves to have this kind of control.
And a stop to the gut, too.
The Viper's lined up his prey. We know what's next. KO!
Orton might take it here.
And now he's back into the ring. Orton getting ready.
Up high.
Crash and burn. The high risk just resulted in a big splat. Deconstructing the knee there. Oh, just deadlifting their opponent and
Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
flinged across the way. Orton clearly rocked by a precise attack there. Extreme Rules takes an intense toll on the body. The longer this match goes, the worse it gets. Orton able to counter. Big punch finds its mark. Turns the tides with a knee to the abdomen. Back and forth, counter after counter.
Orton isn't being given a chance to breathe.
This can't be how Randy Orton envisioned this match.
What power!
Tombstone!
Orton is in big, big trouble. And enters back into the ring. The Undertaker shifting his eerie focus to the thousands in attendance.
Up high!
Off the lock. Ooh, walloped by a huge club. Momentum on the side of the dead man. A series of disabling maneuvers from Undertaker. And Orton finding himself on the receiving end once again. All that effort back in the dead man into a corner, and he still finds a way back to life. The crowd is fired up. Undertaker is fired up. Headed to the top rope.
Up high! Cross body!
Oh my goodness.
Just punishing their opponent.
Oh.
Smashing the head into an unforgiving surface.
Merciless move, bashing your opponent's head like that. Undertaker showing no answer for this attack. Maybe. Undertaker is pinned. This might be over. Kicks out before the 2 count. You expect these pins to last much longer at this stage in the match. Oh, my right! Yeah, that's some attitude behind it. Punch lands. Targeting the stomach to reverse that maneuver. What a shot! Look at this heel hook.
This is how you punish your opponent, and he's enjoying every minute of it.
Precision offense from the Viper. This devastating offense from Orton is so hard to prepare for. Mounting. He connects with a counter.
The Undertaker finally finding an answer to that onslaught.
He's still in this, and he's making sure everyone knows that.
Showing out their deadlifting prowess and just tossing their opponent like they're nothing. Ooh, that's how you dominate your opponent. Just launched.
Oh, sent flying. The Viper is facing a bit of danger here.
The Viper might be feeling a bit rattled. He decides. Jeez. Tossing their opponent like they're nothing.
Hurled away. God. That offense will definitely knock the wind out of him. Oh, and a big uppercut. We've already seen a few blows land above the neck. The dead man has decided this ends now.
Tombstone!
Taker's about to end another fight. victory shows the true power of The Undertaker. An incredible effort by Randy Orton, but sometimes it's better to leave the darkness alone.
Yeah, history will show Randy Orton made the wrong decision in stepping to the dead man.
I agree, Byron, but something tells me that the war between the dead man and the Apex Predator is not over.